My name is Yulia and I'm an artist. In this short video I will try to tell you how to start or how to continue your study of drawing and painting with the exercises of only some minutes a day.
Today's art workout is to improve the shades using a smudge. You will need a pencil, an eraser and a piece of paper towel or napkin. Let's start. Make a smudge of paper towel or napkin by folding it into a cone.
Did you like this video? Like it and follow my channel. See you on my social networks.